Welcome to Natural Remedies.
If you want to introduce your baby to a good nutritious food, then you should definitely start with banana. Banana is rich in nutritional values and it is very easy to digest for the babies. You can introduce it as the first healthy food for your baby. Making banana puree for baby is incredibly easy to prepare and also very easy to swallow this food. You should choose those bananas which are blemish-free and yellow in color. Do not go for those which are slightly brown in color. Do not go for green peel bananas as they are not ripe. Bananas with spots on them means that they have crossed their prime time, so do not select this kind of bananas also. Making the banana puree. Mash the pieces of banana using a spoon to the desired consistency. You can add water to the mashed banana, but only for older babies. For infants, add breast milk to make the puree thin. These are better than water. You can make 8 ounces of puree with 1 medium-sized fresh banana. Banana puree tastes too good plain, but it can also be added to other fruit purees to make it more tasty and delicious. You can try banana puree with avocado fruit puree. It tastes really good as both the fruits are really smooth and they blend very well. Try it with peach, plum, pear, strawberries, cherries, blueberries, and yogurt. Note: you can refrigerate the left-out puree in a tight container for up to 3 days. But it is highly recommended to make fresh and yummy puree for your cute little baby. If you are a new mom, hope our banana puree recipe for baby helps you feed your sweetie pie yummy food. Have you got more ideas to make tastier banana puree for babies? Then do share with us in the section below. If you want more health tips and recipes, then subscribe our channel.